Filters to video footage or video clips in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click on your video clip, selected and highlighted as you can see. Down and scroll to the right. You see the option, which filters next to basic and video quality. This will enhance your video, make it look a specific color if you click on any one of these filters. Notice how the color changes. And if you want, you can even scroll down and drag this to the right to see more of the filter, or drag it to the left to get less of the filter. You choose and click the check mark icon. And this is what we have. Or should I say, this is the before. This is the after. Notice how our video looks different with the video filters completely for free in Capcut Mobile.